Tobalo koma jo, yeah. Tobalo koma.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I know, I'm always in the car. So when I have to introduce the video, I'm always in the car. It's because, guys, I'm always busy. Okay, my mom just got out of the garage. I'm waiting for her to put this car back in because we're using her car. Well, guys, we're heading out with my mom. Ne? Society, oh no, we need in day one. I think we need like ma, ma. Hey, ngizoyibuyisela phakathi. Ngizoyiphinisela phakathi. So we're going out like what to get what we need to get and then yeah, make our way back. They're going so now I need to put the car back in the garage. Guys, so come on,
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand.
hey guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Well, the last time I was with you guys, I was like, oh, I'm coming back, I'm going out with my mom, and then that was then, and then that was it. Okay, but I don't introduce this vlog properly. So if you're new here, welcome and hopefully you do enjoy your stay. And if you're a regular returning supporter, welcome back and thank you so much for joining us again.
So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also please like and share if you want to share the video. Also, guys, leave your comments down below. Let's engage before you do, and please do not skip the ads because I need some coins. Okay, but anyway, today's Friday, and I really want this vlog out by today, which is Friday. So hopefully I'm gonna do the things. And on Wednesday I went to my sister's place in Zenton, you guys saw, and I did my niece's hair. I came back the next morning, which was Thursday yesterday, yes. Was it Thursday yesterday? No. I went Tuesday at my sister's place. I went to my sister's on Tuesday, and then I came back on Wednesday morning, yes. And then now yeah, I did my hair yesterday, and I wanna go do my hair today because child, ain't no way I'm gonna stay with my hair like this. Like my hair is a mess and I don't want you guys to see it. But I'm gonna blow it out first here at home and then go to the salon very early today, this morning, because child, I don't want traffic. Like I don't want not traffic per se, but like it's gonna be busier. I think when people are paid, it gets busier. So I just want to do my hair and get it all and done with. Like by 11 o'clock, I'm back home. I'm like relaxed because my hair is done. Probably I'll go do my nails. I don't know. Depends if my nail tech will be home or not, but I'll not do my nails. But anyway, I want to do those short nails so that I'm able to attend to my clients. You guys know I'm a working girly, so I need to limit myself. But anyway, you guys, I've came up with this thing, Yoguti, because you work really hard. Even if you are left with nothing, it's also fine. As long as you're spoiling yourself, like you're doing your hair, you're doing everything for yourself, just to reward yourself, to thank yourself, appreciate yourself. Because honestly, I work very hard and I'm always tired now. So I was like, I just don't have money to go do my hair. But I was like, no, child, ain't no way. Just go do your hair. What's that last money? Go do your hair because of you work so hard. So I really want to do that. I want to go to my hair and uNkulunkulu uzongipha imali futhi because he knows me and money. Just joking, guys. But yeah, no, I really need to reward myself. I work very hard. Like I always have to remind myself each and every time I want to spend money, and I'm like, no, girl. But I'm like, I work very hard for this. So why do I have to work hard and then not use my money? Like, so I'm thinking it is what it is. So I need to reward myself. I feel like probably because I told myself that in in January, um, I wanna book myself into a spa because I've been working very hard and I haven't been resting. So next year I'm just gonna reward myself with that and like open the year with a bang. Ithola ke ngoku uyayivaya ngoku. So yeah, because let's prepare and get the day started. Honestly, and I'm so hungry, but I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog all of that because I'm very tired. I'm very tired, but I'll probably see you guys at the salon. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys doing my hair. Probably will. I don't know. So I'm using this thing. My sister came here yesterday and she wanted to blow her hair as well. So I blowed her hair, and this is the leftover thing that she was using. So we're using kids one because it's much better. I know I didn't shave my underarms. I'm gonna do that today, guys. My hair really grows so fast. Please don't come for me. So we use this one because yeah, yes, these are it, guys. Like I wish ngikushesha ngithi ingane vele like enjoying. Yeah, I was like no, 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 no.
last thingy for this vlog. I'm closing off the vlog finally, officially. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in on our vlog. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. But firstly, I just want to tell you guys ukuthi mangabunayo imali encane esele endakalenzi ikhanda ngicela uhambe uyokwenza ikhanda nifasise Instagram. My darling, my babas, if you don't know what to do, please girls. And please guys, like if you feel ukuthi I know I've spent a lot of money. I know I've spent too much. Spend that money. You'll make more money. No worry, Bena. Don't worry about anything, okay? But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this vlog. And also, I'll see you guys on another vlog. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, also